Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do a bowl with a twist, like literally. So I have a waste block on the back end of this, and there will be another one on this end, so we can do some 3-axis turning. But first of all, I'm just going to knock the corners down and get it round and also balance, because it's not very at the moment. So I'm having a bit of fun with this one. Everything seems to be breaking today. The hot glue gun is broken. The blade in the bandsaw has now managed to get a kink in it, which is brilliant. And the manual focus on my camera's not working overly well, so it's going really well today. Anyway, so to prevent further disaster, I've glued this end on, because I'm thinking with all of the torque involved in doing the off-center turning, I'm going to need it. So, and I'm probably going to do the same with this end here and glue it overnight. So I'm going to break this off here and do that. I'm just going to trim this up a bit. Hope it doesn't give way. Right, that's better. I shall leave that overnight and we'll have another look in the morning, which will be in a couple of seconds to you. So hopefully all the glue will be nice and solid now. I need to reshape this a little bit because I noticed I left a big flat spot there, and start the preliminary shape here for getting ready to do the twist. I think first I need to just reduce the size of these blocks a bit because they're a bit huge. So I think we'll do that. when you're sharpening your skew chisel like this, don't whack your hand down on it afterwards like that, especially when you've just finished honing it and it's like some sort of razor. I've managed to slice through 2 of my fingers and I got to stop. So this video will be continued next week. So apologies, this is going to be a part 1 and a part 2. So sorry about that, and see you next time.